right, it is time for circle time. Let's go ahead and get started by standing.
Standing up.
Right hand on our heart.
Standing up.
Eyes on the flag. And we say, I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Same hand goes to our side and we say,
I am somebody. I will succeed. In school and life, I will achieve.
Let's join together
To work and share. Let's show the world we care. At Woodbridge ECC,
we are a team.
At Woodbridge ECC,
We'll reach our dreams. All right, let's take a look. Uh-oh.
Baby Yoda.
There you go.
Baby
Today is the 16th day of March. Let's go ahead and sing our Days of the Week song. Maybe. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week.
There's Sunday, there's Monday, there's Tuesday, and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday, and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week.
Here we go, your turn. Excellent. And today is Tuesday, March 16th, 2021. We won't be here Wednesday, which is tomorrow. It's the 17th day of March. And tomorrow is St. Patrick's Day. See, I found the Yoda holding a little over. He's pretending he's a leprechaun. And we had a leprechaun visit our room and cause a little bit of a mess.
What?
So we'll have to keep our eyes open.
Yeah.
So when you come back, it'll be Thursday.
Guess what, Mrs. Danga?
What?
And Baby Yoda is for Star Wars.
That's right, it's from Star Wars. The Mandalorian. All right, we predicted sunny weather today. It's not sunny, I feel like, and windy. Not sunny or windy outside. What kind of weather do we have outside, my friends here? What kind of weather do we have? Is it sunny and bright outside? No. Is it sunny with some clouds? No. Is it cloudy? Yes. Because it's not raining, it's not windy, and it's not snowy. It is just cloudy outside. Let's make a prediction for tomorrow with some help from our friends. Let's say it together.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Awesome job. All right, we're counting all the way to 20. Raise those hands up and give them a wiggle. Touch your nose. Touch your ears. Touch your knees. Where are those knees? Good. Hands in lap. And let's count to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Wonderful. All right, we're counting backwards from 10. Big voice all the way. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, shape is green?
Oval.
Not oval. Look again.
Circle.
Circle. All right. What color is sadness?
Blue.
Excellent. What color is my chocolate bar?
Blue.
Brown. Awesome. Our nursery rhyme is row, row, row your boat. You're going to grab your oars. Let's get ready to row. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Rock back and forth. Merry, 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 merry. Life is but a dream. Grab those oars. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Wonderful. All right, what number is this? 8. Remember the 8 looks like a snowman who's got 2 and a little head. What shape do I have here? Square. What color are those squares? Brown. What color? Brown. What number is this? 2. This one? 6. Excellent. 10. 2 numbers. What is it? 1 and 0. What's this one? 4. 7. What shape is this? Oval. All right, how about this one? 1. Excellent. 3. Over your mouth, bud. 5. And now let's take a look at the letters we've worked on. We've had L, F, E, H, T, I, U, C, O, U, G, and S. Our letter this week is the letter J. What are these kids doing? They're jumping. This is the Justice League. I heard it back there. And these yummy things behind are jelly beans. What sound does J make? Let me hear it. Excellent. All right, we're going to get our boards and practice making the letter J.
Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top.
Remember, we don't have our
Start your
pieces.
letters at the top. Start your letters at the top.
Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? It's coming, bud.
If you want to start a letter,
Then you better remember to start it at the top. Here we go. Touching down below. No, it's the bottom. It's coming, Noah. It's the middle. Show me top. Top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Good waiting. There we go. All the way to the top of your board. Way up. Way up. Is that the top? Yes, it's the top. Reach out and touch the top. Going down, bud.
reach down. Way down. Is that the bottom? Yes, it's the bottom.
Reach out and touch the bottom. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Touch top, bottom. Shake it.
In the middle.
Top, bottom. Shake it. Good job. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle.
Where do you
Awesome.
start your letters at the top? Great.
Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Let me see it. No, it's the bottom. We're touching the bottom. No, it's the middle. Show me middle. Top.
Where do you start your letters at the top?
Awesome. All right, what letter are we making?
Yeah.
J. What letter?
J.
J. The J says good. Listening ears on. Inside voices off. Hands in lap. My turn. Big line down. Turn. Frog jump up. Little line across the top. Again, my turn. Watch where Mrs. Mazinga's fingers go as I say the words. Big line down. Am I all the way over here? No. Big line down. Now I'm saying the word and I'm going to do it. Turn. Frog jump up. Little line across the top. Your turn. Fingers at the
top.
Let me see it. Excellent. And we say, big line down. Let me see where your fingers are. Oh, who's got their finger in the right place? My superhero does. Awesome. Perfect. You got it. Yes. Let me see it. Ready? Let's say it together. Turn. Frog jump up. Little line across the top. Do it one more time. Fingers at the